That was an astonishing performance. Thank you so much, dear teachers. Let us all give them a huge round of applause to our dear teachers. The key to student success is a great school, and the key to a great school is a great principal. Let me welcome our dear principal, ma'am, with a huge round of applause on stage.
Good evening, young ladies and gentlemen. I'm really proud to see all of you. First of all, love you, they'll say. Maybe, yes, I am not your teacher as such, but I have seen since I think 2002, I have seen so many batches moving out from 10th and 12th. And believe me, many of them are married, having kids. No one invited me for their marriage. I hope, this is my humble request, when you get married, please remember your Christine ma'am, Shubha ma'am, Ritu ma'am. Maybe we'll be very oldies, but we would love to come and bless you on that day. Okay? So, dear parents, thank you so much. All those who have come, I need the attendance, Christine ma'am. And I would like to talk to the parent who has not attended. Believe me, this is very, very important occasion. Maybe you have meeting or any other kind of important event. Unless and until it is a medical emergency, we shouldn't be missing out such events. You may miss annual day, you may miss any other, day, but graduation day is very, very important in the life of the child as well as the parent. I have two daughters, you all know. I have attended their event, and still those photographs, they are just memories because they are not living with me. Now they are outside in hostels or in colleges. Those photos, whenever I see, I just get little overwhelmed, right? So these memories you have to create, and you have to support when kids are completing that milestone. 10th is their first milestone. Day before, I think on 13th, they came to my room. Again, as oldies, we give all the time old lecture. It was like, again, I told, keep your 10th grade safely. 10th grade certificate will be checked throughout your life. You know, right? Wherever you go for your job application or anything, you show your 10th grade mark sheet, because that is also a proof of your date of birth. But 10th is an important milestone, guys, which you have achieved. And you must be wondering why we have not done your graduation ceremony before exams. Maybe your other community or other people must have asked, हमारा तो हो गया graduation, आपका क्यों नहीं हुआ? कर भी रहे हैं कि नहीं? One of the parents, your parent called me and said, ma'am, करके खत्म करो. Then let them study. I said, nahi, first let us do exams. So this is the ulta trend, I think, Manipal has started, that first let us finish the exams, because in other schools, wherever I worked, in January only we say goodbye, bye-bye, done. And we are waiting for the other 9th grade who is becoming 10th. The people who danced in front of you, right? We are busy teaching them. But here the difference, if you really see, there was no need for these teachers to come on every exam day to Swami Vivekananda. Just I'm trying to talk to you, not to your parents at this point of time. Nothing, it's not a speech, bhashan nahi hai, bol rahi hu. If you understand Hindi, ये जो छोटी छोटी चीज़ें हैं ना, जो आपके टीचर्स ने किया है आपके लिए, चाहे आपने 2019 में, आई थिंक मेरे कुछ मंकीज तब थे, बहुत छोटे छोटे बच्चे, when I was seeing your videos, जय सर ने बहुत कमाल के वीडियोस बनाए हैं आपके लिए. So when I was seeing, I was actually overwhelmed in 2019 in our previous building. इतने छोटे छोटे थे तुम लोग और अभी इतने बड़े हो गए हो. तो it gives good feeling to us. See, we are not your parents. Yes, biologically, I'm not your mother. But I always see you as my kids, as my, my own kids are little elder to you guys. So when I was looking at all those things, I realized that you have groomed yourself on your own, and maybe your parents' role is there in that, but somewhere your teacher's role is very much there. And many of them are teaching you since quite some time now. But whatever, sometimes you feel, oh, she's not good, he is not so good. It's fine, okay? Teachers' duty is to give you education. They try to do their best. Believe me, guys, none of us are lazy. We try to give you the best. And going to that Swami Vivekananda for that half an hour or accompanying you, saying you best of luck, believe me, it was all dil se. That puja which was done by Sandhya, it was with heart. It was with true this thing that आप लोग successful बने. आप लोग एक अच्छा एग्जाम के लिए जा रहे हो, आप भूले नहीं, आपको याद आ जाए उस 3 घंटे में कैसे एग्जाम लिखना है. And you will not believe, few of our teachers went for, I know those are secrets letting out, few of our teachers went to invigilation duty. And I will not name the schools, but they said, ma'am, our kids are much better. You can see the tone and you can understand which teacher must have come and told, ma'am, our students are much better. Can you guess? Lakshmi ma'am, Christine ma'am, yes. Because they found students chewing gum in the hall, and when they are asking, it is not allowed, where it is written, madam, don't tell us all this. No, believe me, that kind of unruly statements. And one sheet of paper they have written, and they have, shut their eyes and they slept off. And we were wondering, oh my God, they were not bringing their compass with them, no pen, they were borrowing. So believe me, guys, you are already, when I see the student community in responsibility, you are all already here. I'm very proud of you. When I saw, I have got a very good feedback from Swami Vivekananda principal also. It was so proud that when they say your children are well behaved, your children were, doing their things properly. They were not doing irrelevant stuff. So these little things matter in life. The way you organize yourself, the way you carry yourself, the confidence matters. It's okay. Marks, maybe some of you will get above 90, some of you get above 80, that doesn't matter. And today is not the last day. Don't think like, okay, farewell, goodbyes and all happening. Nobody will cry, first thing. Because maybe I may not see you guys sooner, but I'm sure that at some point of time we'll definitely meet. You will meet your teachers at some point of time. Please remember their sacrifices. They have done a lot. Sometimes we fail to recognize. Just because of one episode of your teacher scolding you, or maybe one episode of your principal coming very harshly on you, when you come for PT and you say this is unfair, this is not done, okay? You have given us tough time. Don't be so innocent. Maybe yes, Manvita joined us in 10th directly. Shaivi, I think Kangshita, Pragya, they have joined in, I think 8th grade, 9th grade. Some of you 6th grade, so you will watch that. Jay sir has done a lot of effort in picking your photos of the old times. You know our struggle. And I'm very proud that Manipal International School, you are passing out as the first batch. This was my dream when I joined this school. Because I have sent many batches without completing grade 10. Because we were not CBSE affiliated. So I have to send, you must be remembering few seniors of yours. They left in 8th grade because I didn't want to put their career in stake. I told Anupama from DPS East, please take my kids. Please give admission to my kids because I cannot give them 9th grade. So I'm very proud because of efforts of our CO sir, all my teachers, deans, coordinators. Today we are successfully having this program itself is a big blessing to me as a principal, okay? But as your non-biological mother, let me bless each one of you. Really, I'm telling you, maybe I have not taught, but I'm seeing you like, there are so many kids, like Abhay, Pranay. These kids I have taught in my life, rowdies, number one indisciplined kids. You people, boys also, girls, my girls were always good. These 5 boys gave a lot of tough time. But I'm really, hopeful that you will do well. Whatever you do, because CEO sir has stolen all my lines. So whatever you do, I know you will take care of yourself. And the last thing is your parents. Believe me, you may not like them at this point because of your age, because of your hormones, because of whatever your expectations from them. But they are your parents, and more than them, nobody can love you. उनसे ज़्यादा आपको और कोई प्यार नहीं कर सकता, कोई भी नहीं इस दुनिया में. सबसे ज़्यादा प्यार आपके माँ बाप करते हैं. कल आके आप कुछ गलती करके भी आ जाओगे ना बाहर, कुछ भी बड़ी से बड़ी गलती होती हैं एडोलेसेंट एज में, कुछ भी करके आ जाओगे, आपको वो माफ़ कर देंगे. Believe me, I am the mother, I am telling you this, they will forgive you and they will support you. So never disrespect your parents. Today's ceremony, it was graduation, farewell. I made it blessing ceremony, if you have seen that. I don't know whether South Indian culture says touch the feet of your parents or not. In North India, we have this culture. But today I thought, maybe if you do not have that culture, I'll not force you to touch the feet of your parents. If you don't touch, just hold their hands today after receiving your honor. Just hug them and say thank you. They'll say, not artificial today. Okay, I know as you grow, your parents don't show physical affection to you. Hesitation comes. Mothers may not hug you, fathers may not hug you, but आज करेंगे. Today we'll hug our parents. उनको पसंद आए ना आए कोई बात नहीं, हम उनका आशीर्वाद आज लेंगे. ठीक है, मन में कुछ भी है, you have any anonymity or something, just shed it off. Today they are here attending this function. Believe me, their heart is, beating with proud. They are loving you. They may not express, they may not tell. They are like me. We don't express. But today, when after receiving the honor in blessing ceremony, I will request all the parents, those who have come, by one, when your child was called, even you will be called. Please come on the stage. Just remove your slippers if possible. And these kids will take your blessings. I hope you don't mind it. If you mind girl touching the feet or something, maybe yes, you can just hold hands of your little girl. Imagine the day when she was born, छोटा सा हाथ था उसका, वैसे ही आज उसको पकड़िएगा और उसको आशीर्वाद दीजिएगा. देंगे parents? Will you? Thank you so much. Thank you so much everyone. God bless you.
Dance is the